Unit 10. A pair of shoes.
Hi. Oh, those shoes are lovely. Can I see them?
Which ones do you like?
That black pair looks really cool.
The black ones. Here.
The black ones, they're quite lovely. Imported from Italy.
I've been to Italy. How much are they?
Oh, these shoes are $80.
$80? That's so expensive.
Not so expensive. Only $40 for one shoe.
Do you have another pair of black shoes?
This pair, only $20.
Why are these shoes so much cheaper?
Because they're made here.
Made here. What about the quality?
The quality is very good. These shoes will last a long time.
How about $15 for the pair?
Oh, I'm sorry, not enough. 18.
I'll give you 16.
Okay, for you, special price. $16. Would you like a bag?
No, that's okay. Thanks anyway. I'll wear them.
Thank you.
Oh, those shoes are lovely. Can I see them?
Which ones do you like?
How much are they? Do you have another pair of black shoes? Why are these shoes so much cheaper?
The quality is very good. These shoes will last a long time.